My name is Christian Felix Jensen. I am from Norway and I'm working with the excavator and haul the water out of the house. I was starting my own business in 2014 with my father. But before that, yeah, digging since I was a small kid. I was meeting Fabian and he showed me the nice machine and we set it together and try a demo machine and it was beautiful. This was the right size for me, I think. Every day I must be productive, so yeah, Beck is one of the reasons I chose Kobelco too, because they are so close to the customer. I had a white cars in 2018 and everyone told me you can't have white because it's a lot to wash and everything, you know. And but I look at the car, I never wash it and it always looks white. So I think the same on the machine, the excavator. With a lot of choice, you can change the pumps, the hydraulic, and you can fit the machine for yourself. And it's really helping. And you can totally change the machine if you want. Yeah, in the machine, the productivity is really nice because now we have the Encon, the rotor tilt, and with the E-soil, then you can change it without going out and fit the cobbling. I earn so much time every day on that. I say always to Fabian, this is the first Kobelco, so it's many more.